What's good, YouTube? Y'all, we back with another video. As y'all can see by the title. Finna bring y'all boys a POV drive in the AMG. You know what I'm saying? Let me step out right quick. Get y'all look around. And it's raining too. So y'all can see, man. Finna give y'all boys a POV drive. At nighttime while it's raining. I was laying down, chilling, wasn't doing shit. I thought about y'all. And then I had checked the video. I'm like, damn, when that bitch hit 2K views, so I was like, oh yeah, y'all fucking with this bitch. So I'm finna go on here and get y'all boys another POV drive. But it's gonna be at nighttime, you know what I'm saying? And look, for those who all on my dick in the comment, man, get on my dick. Bitch ass hating that nigga, y'all niggas be hating. Bad. Fuck, but look, man. Check me out, man. Those for who didn't see the car. Yes, sir. Y'all new to the channel, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And stay tuned for this video that I'm finna bring y'all. Cause the view of how this bitch be looking at night, son, it's crazy. Like, I can drive all night just because of how the car looking inside. Like, the interior of this bitch is so nasty, dog. But let's get to this video, man. Let's go ahead and get into this video. It is, what time is it? It's on my phone, man. So I can see. It's 10:57. I was laying in the bed, thought about y'all. And, I was like, man, I'm finna get them boys a POV drive. Yes, sir. What color y'all want it on, man? I think I'm gonna put it on my favorite color for y'all. I was fucking with the pink today, but I think I'm gonna fuck with something else. Let's see, man. I think I'm gonna fuck with this color right here. Like, I don't know why this is my favorite color. For some reason. This is my favorite color. We're gonna turn the screen off so y'all can get like down the full effect of how this bitch be looking, like my point of view. And this bitch, I'm trying to zoom out. This is the farthest I can zoom out. Hopefully y'all can see pretty good. But yeah, man, I really don't even know what to talk about, bro. I really been cooling. I don't know what to talk about, man. How y'all boys doing? Hold up. And put my seatbelt on. Cause they be having them niggas in the comments too be crying because I ain't got my seatbelt on. But chill, man. How y'all been, man? How y'all mental health is, bro? I'm good over here, you know what I'm saying? I'm straight over here. Been really chilling. You know what I'm saying? Staying out the way. And just working on myself. But shit, man, I hope everybody doing good out there. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all staying close to God, talking to God, you know what I'm saying? Having a relationship with the Lord, with Jesus. You hear me? You gotta have a relationship with Jesus. Let me, hold up, turn the heat on. Hold up, it's getting cold out here. But yeah, man, damn, I'm on the whole other side of the road, but yeah, bro, I hope everybody doing good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see I'm straight. I'm in the bins, looking at. Damn, they acting like they want to come over. Fuck. Y'all be paranoid in this bitch, son, cause I do not want to get in a wreck in this car at all, son. Like when I got in the wreck with my scat, and when I got it fixed, it wasn't the same anymore. Like I just hated it. Y'all see that shit? Like the car, like when I be in the other lane, that bitch will throw you back in the lane. And this bitch drive itself. I don't know if y'all know or not, but it do drive itself. And it's wet outside, so I can't really even cut up. Well, not cut up, but get y'all a little pull and shit. Last time I did a pull in the rain, it kind of hooked, but it kind of didn't. But I'm chilling right now, so I just came here on here, make this video for y'all to give y'all like a little cool little POV drive in the Benz. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but it's lightning. It's raining. It's a 6-cylinder, bro. Like, this bitch move. I had raced the Scat too. It was what it was. I won like 2-3 of them. He won a couple of them, but I gave him like 2 cars in the head and shit. But yeah, man, yeah. And I think I'm gonna put on that pink, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie to that. I think that pink kind of hit. I'm digging the pink tonight. AMG. Let's put the pink on. Yeah, it is. I don't know. It's just something. I think the pink hit harder on some shit. I think this might be the new color. With the pink, man. Oh, they got lights everywhere in this color. I love the pinks, like the Avens. Like, they really feel like a little spaceship. Like, they got lights all the way back there in the back seat. They got lights everywhere. But I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever I get on the interstate. I guess I can get on the interstate. Should I? I really ain't got to. Yeah, I really don't. I'm just gonna hit a big ass circle and just go right back to the crib. That's what I'm gonna do. Fuck all that riding around. I don't feel like riding around right now. I just think about y'all. Like, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little video right quick. Oh, y'all seen that thing run across the road? Trying to fuck my shit up, man. Y'all almost got me. Y'all almost had me. I've been doing it again. That should be catching me off guard. Like, sometimes that should be scaring me. Like, cause this bitch slow down, then it jerk right back in the lane. Like, god damn. Why you gotta be so aggressive? Shit. Oh yeah, today, they had the Super Bowl today or some shit. Nigga on Instagram, I saw you see niggas happy, niggas saying pay them, and some niggas crying, talking about fuck the other team. You know? Be on the side, who was playing? Like, what, the 49ers and I don't know. I don't really be into that shit. Bro, look at that small ass car. Let me try to show y'all that small ass. That bitch is so small. But yeah, man, they had a little Super Bowl game today. Shit, I don't watch football. I don't watch none of that shit. I ain't into none of it. I be in my own little world. I swear, son, I can't even tell y'all one player that played just now in the Super Bowl on either team. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't be into it. It's something I'm not into. I used to play sports though, but like I can't watch it on TV, and I can't play it like on a video game. Son, I just can't play sport games. Like, the only games I play on a video game is shooting games or like car games, but all that fucking football and basketball, 2K. Like, I used to play 2K, but I stopped playing 2K when 2K17 ended. When that 18 and the rest of that shit came out, that shit was ass. So I just stopped fucking with all that shit. But I'll be on that Warzone though. If y'all boys be on that Warzone, man, put y'all gaming tag down below. Cause I'm pressure and I'm on that 5. I'm telling y'all, man, come fuck with me. I'm pressure on that bitch. I just caught driving like that, like y'all in a rush or something. All on my ass, and like, I hate when people be in a rush. Man, bitch, it's raining, huh? Like, slow your stupid ass down. Ugly ass, huh? Ugly ass car. Yeah, people be pissing me off, son. There we go. Look, it been green for a whole. Look, ugly ass. I bet she look just like that ugly ass car. Oh, shit. I'm trying to drink and drive at the same time. I'm drinking water. My fucking hand tied holding this damn camera, man. I'm gonna put on red for y'all now. I wanna see how the red look on the camera. Cause I was riding red the other day, all red, and that shit was hard too. Put on the red. That's like a pink. There go that red right there. Prussia. Yeah, that red there. That's what it's at right there. That's what it's at right there. That's it right there. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, Mark. Ooh, look at that red. Oh Lord, look at the red. Yeah, man, look. I got the 5% all around this bitch with the 20 on the shield, man. Niggas can't see through this bitch, man. This presidential, you hear me? Can't see who in this bitch, man. Young nigga, man. 20 years old, man. In the AMG Benz. I'm very humble. Don't take that as like I'm bragging, but just for motivation. Like I never been a nigga to brag and try to say try to think I'm better than someone else. I'm not better than no one else, bro. Especially if I have a car. Like a car don't make you better than anyone else. So y'all don't take that as bragging, motivation. You know what I'm saying? Something young as a bitch. Young dog, just get your job, make your paper, stack your bread, and go buy whatever you want. You're paying for it, so fuck it. Can't nobody tell you what you can't pay for the money you have. You work hard for, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. If y'all boys on them scat packs, go get them scat packs. Them scatty packs and them Hellcats. I just drove a Hellcat the other day, but I still ride at the Benz though. Even though the Hellcat way faster, but they do got a Benz that way faster than the Hellcat, and that's the one I'm gonna get after I trade this one in. When I get rid of this one, I'm gonna go get the E63. That bitch so hard, bro. I love the fucking cars, bro. Got the V8 twin turbos, and them bitches. Ooh, them bitches are sickest. I'm gonna get me one of them bitches for sure. Man, I'm so tired, bro. I'm sleepy, bro. I just couldn't go to sleep. So I had went on YouTube and I seen the views went up on the little, video I dropped the other day. And I was like, oh yeah, they been doing good. So, alright, shit. I'm finna make another video. I'm saying it's 11:11 now. 11:11, cuz. Head back to the crib. Really cruising, son. Like I'm not doing nothing exciting. I mean, if y'all like the view, you know what I'm saying? Shit, keep on watching. I don't know. If y'all like this video, y'all, this fucking truck be right here since I was way down the road. I don't trust that. So they play any type of games. Oh, alright. You gotta watch out for shit like this, man. Don't let no nigga sneak up on you. Sneak up boo your ass. I be watching out for shit like that. Especially from where I'm from and where I'm at right now. Like, you know. I got a lot of weird ass niggas out here that don't really fuck with a lot of niggas. And they got a lot of pussy ass niggas, man. A lot of pussy niggas. A Lottie pussy niggas, okay? Feel like Joseph. Man, look at that, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all go get y'all Benz. Look at it. Like, just look at this shit. That's the passenger seat. I guarantee your bitch would rather be in this motherfucker than a Hellcat. Telling you. Your bitch gonna wanna be in this before a Hellcat, G. Like, don't get me wrong, the Hellcats, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with them. But come on, man. Like, this a little spaceship. Bitch gonna be right there in that passenger seat. You gonna be mad. And you ain't gonna know who in here either, cause I got that tent, so I'm gonna leave you clueless. Your stomach gonna be in your ass. You gonna be nervous. You gonna have them butterflies. You gonna be, oh Lord, you just gonna be ooh. You don't want that feeling. I'm just fucking with y'all. All the young niggas, man, go get y'all Benz, man. Go on get y'all Benz, bro. You ain't gotta worry about niggas stealing this bitch. You ain't gotta worry about niggas stealing your shit, man. At all. Look like it's finna rain, so I'm glad it's raining. It haven't rained in a minute where I'm at, so I really just feel like laying in the bed watching movies and just, you know, just being snug as a bug in the rug. You hear me? Unbothered. You know what I'm saying? At peace. Laying in the bed. Clean sheets, all that. Yeah. Really feel like I'm talking to y'all boys, like I'm really having a conversation with y'all. Nigga, we went from the cars to me sleeping in my bed to video games to pussy niggas to taking your bitch to oh shit. But man, I don't know how long this video gonna be. Pretty sure it's over 15 minutes, so I feel like that's enough for a POV drive. So who wanna watch a POV drive for 20 plus minutes? I mean, I know I don't. So I just put y'all in my shoes, and then I'll be like, shit, if I don't fuck with it, I know these niggas ain't fucking with it. So with that being said, that will be the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you new. You hear me? Like the video if you like how the inside of the AMG look. Like the video, you know what I'm saying? Like the video if you believe in God looking at. Yeah, I hate the fucking videos be on TikTok and shit talking about if you don't share, that mean you ain't a little guy. Like, bitch, shut the fuck up. Don't try to trick me for you to get some likes. You hear me? Don't do that. But anyway, I'ma close out this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all you know what I'm saying, like I always say, y'all make sure y'all keep God in y'all life, fuck nigga.